Hello guys, welcome to the new video of ThemeHunk. I am Anurag, here to show you how to change WordPress login page URL. Changing the URL of the login page is a safety measure. Changing the URL of the login page is both easy and effective in keeping hackers at bay. It will increase the security of your site. Simple URLs are easy for them to find, but more complex ones will be harder for them to locate. So let's get started. First, open your dashboard. Navigate to Plugins, and click on Add New. Go to the search bar and search Hide Login. This is your plugin, install it. Click on Activate. The plugin has come in the Plugins section. For further, click on Settings. On the bottommost side, you will find WPS Hide Login. This is your login URL. To change it, click on this section and write whatever you want. Now click on Save Changes. Now log in with your previous URL. An error is occurring while login. Now try with the new URL. We have got to the login page now. If you find this video helpful, then like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.